Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Shamela and today I am making mushroom rice. This is the best one pot mushroom rice you will ever make. Fluffy white basmati rice, perfectly cooked and loaded with sauteed mushrooms, green peas, so good as a nutritious side or a simple one pot complete meal. So let's get started. Heat 3 tablespoon oil or ghee in a pan. Goes in 1 bay leaf, 2 cardamom, 1 inch cinnamon, 1 black cardamom, 1 star anise, 3 cloves, add 2 sliced onion, saute till it becomes translucent, add a teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, goes in 2 teaspoons salt, adjust as per your taste, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix this nicely. To this I am adding 2 cups chopped mushrooms. Now add 1 cup green peas. Give this a nice mix. Goes in some fresh chopped coriander leaves. And now I'm going to add 6 glasses of water. Bring it to boil. Once done, add 4 cups of soaked basmati rice. Cook this for 2 minutes on medium-high heat. Give this a nice mix, then close the lid and slow cook for 10 minutes. Once done, add a tablespoon of ghee and let it settle down for 10 minutes. And now I'm going to transfer this in a serving plate. Garnish with some roasted cashews and some fresh chopped coriander leaves. So guys, mushroom rice is ready to serve. Serve hot with yogurt or any chicken curry. A kids approved delicious rice dish that everyone will love. So guys, give this a try and let me know how it turned out for you. Follow us on Instagram page shimis.kitchen for more short recipes and updates, and subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Take care and have a nice day.